Today we add an electrical outlet to the garage, but first a quick tool rack install. I bought this power tool rack off of Temu. It's easy to put together and was less than $20. Totally worth it to have my power tools easily accessible. The only thing it needs now is an electrical outlet to charge batteries. I had already installed the PVC box and fit the conduit the day prior. The only thing missing was a clamp to hold the conduit in place. Next, I feed the electrical wire through the conduit. I then strip the wires before cannibalizing an existing outlet. Please note that this line is not connected to anything at this time. I turn power off the breaker and double check there's no current before doing anything. The GFCI is overkill, so we're going to use it in the new box instead. This outlet is hidden between two shelves and currently, pun intended, powers a phone charger and Wi-Fi mesh point. I install a cheap outlet in the original box and install the GFCI in the new box. The first thing I do is install some wire clips to guide the wire and keep it from snagging or otherwise interfering with the overhead tote storage. This wire is going to follow the length of beam before crossing over to the junction box. After verifying the power is off at the breaker, I take the cover off of the junction box. Black goes to black, white to white, and the bare metal wire is the ground. If everything is wired up correctly, this happens when you switch the breaker on. Feel free to hit the test and reset buttons just to verify everything is working. The next project will probably be adding a docking station for these battery chargers.